ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
ಚರ್ಚೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟ
ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರನ್ನ
ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಅನುಮತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನ ಅನೇಕ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಪ್ರತಿಪಕ್ಷ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
and ensuring the passage of these bills, even as you've got BJP MLAs there in the well of the house who are protesting.
ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಧಾನಸಭೆ ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಪ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನ ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಕಂಟಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಸದನ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಆಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
That's R. Ashoka, the LOP, demanding that the bill with regards to Bengaluru not be passed right now, but instead be taken up as a pending matter. Once again, putting the focus on scams as far as the BJP is concerned.
ಸದನ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಸಕರು ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರನ್ನ
So you can hear their attempts to continue with the discussion on the planned business, on the scheduled business in the House, but sloganeering continuing there by BJP MLAs who are standing in the well of the House and holding placards.
Time ide inna important vichara opposition leader eddintavre is on the table floor ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರೇ ಏನು ವಿರೋಧ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕರು ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್
DK Shivkumar, they're appealing to the BJP, appealing to the opposition, saying let business happen, let the discussion happen. It's an important matter. I want to bring in Anaga Keshava on this broadcast as we track the live updates coming in from Vidhan Sauda. Anaga, another day where BJP MLAs are making it very clear that they want a detailed discussion on the Valmiki scam, on the Muda scam, and will not allow business to continue as scheduled. They're all in the well of the House currently protesting.
Well, Akshita, there's absolute commotion and chaos right now in the well of the House in Vidhan Sauda. In fact, Vijayendra, the BJP state president for Karnataka, also just entered the assembly. He is going to be heading the entire protest. Him as well as the LOP R. Ashok, along with his deputy Arvind Bellat, the three of them are going to be leading the commotion there in the well of the House. The BJP is holding placards and protesting against the Congress government. They are stating that we want time to discuss the Muda issue. We want a separate investigation for it. Of course, a special inquiry was investigated on the 14th of July. That was just the day before assembly session started, just so the BJP, they can shut the opposition down. So the BJP is saying that we are not going to let that happen. Just ordering a special inquiry is not enough. What we really want is a thorough inquiry. Even if it is BJP officers who are under scanner, we want everything to be out, is what the BJP is saying. Apart from that, Akshita, they've also organized a Padayatra starting from Monday. It's very likely to happen from Bengaluru to Mysuru. It's about 120 kilometers. They are going to be walking all the legislators of BJP and JDS. They are very likely to stage a Padayatra from Bangalore to Mysore, demanding a thorough inquiry in the Muda issue.
Okay, Anika, just stay with me. Let's play out what Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar has had to say on this entire controversy. The Congress is putting the focus right now on BJP-era scams, saying that we will investigate that as well.
Written speech, and he had given a detailed reply how many scams has happened, how it has happened. Of course, 89 crores some officers has been misused, and investigation is on. Already some 40 crores have been recovered. SIT is taking an investigation. Now ED CBI has entered. Now we wanted to expose all those things. They did not allow us to reply. So Honorable CM replied it anything. He said that he is going to. Already investigations was going on, very big number. All MLAs, ministers, including Yediyurappa and Bommai time regime, all these things has happened. It has been come out. The investigation will go on. We don't want to intervene with the investigation.
So interestingly, Anaga, we're seeing a scam versus scam fight, your scam versus my scam kind of fight that's happening right now, with the Congress saying that look at the number of scams that happened when the BJP was in power in Karnataka. So that seems to be the Congress's counter to this entire protest that the BJP has staged.
Well, Akshita, in fact, the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, he read out 21 alleged scams that happened when when former Chief Minister Yediyurappa and Basavaraj Bommai were in power. So he said that these scams aren't just under Congress regime but also under BJP's rule. So if you go ahead and expose us, then we will do the same with you. Is the kind of narrative we saw that play out in the Assembly House. Clearly, just looking like as you rightly mentioned, your scam versus my scam. In fact, even the leader of opposition, R. Ashoka, he mentioned that they will continue the protest throughout the session, and if they're not given a chance to speak, a Padayatra is what will happen, is what the BJP is saying. But we need to wait and watch if a special inquiry will be ordered for the scams that allegedly happened during the BJP regimes as well. If we totally calculate the in terms of money, it runs into thousands of crores. That's the amount that's the amount of alleged scams that we are talking about. We need to wait and watch if the government will really go ahead and order an investigation. In fact, one such scam, the Bowie scam, a CID has arrested one accused in that case. But, that's just one scam out of the many scams. We need to wait and watch if the government will really go ahead and order more such investigations as well in this case.